Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another tutorial on how I did my Pop Smoke inspired braids. If you want to see how I did this, continue watching. So I blow dried my hair on medium heat so that it's easy for me to braid. I used 2 packets of Xpressions and cut them in half, and to prep the hair I just pull the ends and comb them out. I started off with a middle parting and I used my Gummy wax edge control to neaten up the lines. I wanted 8 braids in total, so 4 on each side. So here I just sectioned out where I wanted my braids to be. I went ahead and did my baby hairs off camera because it was difficult to do it when the ring light was in my face, and also put edge control around the parting, or around the section of the hair rather. I started off by braiding down 3 times, so doing 3 stitches before adding my first piece of extension. I started off with a small piece. I want to say I used about 5 to 6 pieces of extension, but as I braided down, each piece of extension gradually got thicker. And for the finishing touches, I used Mazuri's olive oil mousse, and my edge control did start to flake, so I got rid of this by spraying water mixed with conditioner and saturating my braids in jojoba oil. I dipped my hair in hot water to seal the ends and also added beads to the end. So this is the finished look. It's a bit different for me, but I like the outcome and I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and I'll see you in my next one.